Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. May Allah bless each one of you. As you know, through this channel Nawai Haq, we are raising our voices for the functionality of the Gujarat Division, an issue that is critically important in the present time. This demand for the Gujarat Division first emerged in 1992, and since then, the people of this region have continuously struggled for its implementation. A few years ago, during the PTI government, the Chief Minister of Punjab issued a notification for the functionality of the Gujarat Division. Following this, the work officially began. However, shortly afterward, the Punjab Assembly was dissolved, the government came to an end, and a caretaker government was installed. One of their first actions was to denotify the Gujarat Division, immediately halting all progress. Since then, the matter has been continuously delayed. Even though the Lahore High Court issued orders twice regarding the division, those orders were ignored. No action was taken, and the voice of the court and the public was silenced. Later on, due to the public pressure and resilience, a new government reissued the notification for the division's functionality. However, despite this, no practical steps have been taken. Gujarat remains a division only on paper. The 2025-2026 budget was recently announced and not a single rupee has been allocated for the Gujarat division. No funds have been set aside for a divisional office or infrastructure development. Renowned journalist Wasim Ashraf Butt recently wrote an article in Dawn explaining how there is no hope for the Gujarat division due to the government's lack of budgetary support. Another article in Minute Mirror echoed the same concern that the government has completely bypassed the Gujarat division issue. This is a clear injustice to the people of Gujarat. All of this is being done to serve the political interest of those in power. No party wants the other to receive credit for the division, so the genuine needs of the people are being ignored. We urge the people of Gujarat to be aware of their rights. Raise your voice against the political injustice. Don't let dirty politics silence your needs. Let's stand together for the rightful functionality of the Gujarat division. Thank you.